happy anniversary.
Hooray!
Happy anniversary.
Hooray!
Happy anniversary. Happy
Hooray!
Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. We're starting the vlog on the road today because that's where we'll be for most of today. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Welcome to the Fam Bam if it's your first time watching, and if it's not your first time, welcome back to the Fam Bam. And if it's not your first time, make sure that you subscribe right now before you continue watching and enjoy all the things that we have to show you 5 days per week. 5 days per week, Mondays to Fridays. There's a vlog on our channel today. Wait, before I tell you what we're doing today, say good morning to the faves. Good morning. Say morning, faves. Good girl. So wagwan.
Wagwan na yun. Midaya Panigana.
La 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 la. My boy there up on the Gaza. Alright, we're there on the Gaza. We have a few stuff that we want to get done today. So first stop is Conforama. You ask, what is Conforama? Here in France, Conforama is a what should I call it? It's a household store where there is beds and equipment and appliances and you name it. So I want to go and buy a new toaster because the one that I have keep knocking out my electricity, and that ain't good, girl. So that's where I'm heading today. So let's put on my mask, go in Conforama, which is our first stop. So let's go. Kind of busy because it's leading up to Christmas, so there should be quite a few people out today. So we're entering Conforama right now. Toaster stop. All right.
Here.
Yes, Tyler. Sorry, honey. Don't move her. Here.
This time.
Me just know I'm not gonna knock out again. Sorry, Tyler. Something inside strong. You know want that one, yeah? That one doesn't look bad. That one looks strong too. Okay, it's the price that we need to also look at.
White? No white.
I don't want any white. All my appliances are black, so I would rather stick to the black. I think I'm more leaning towards this one. What do you think?
Look at this.
Or this? Maybe if I buy this, I can get the blender.
€62
That's what I say. If I take this, I probably can get a blender.
What you can do is to look at the...
Oh, blender is behind.
No, it's here, Ty. Here. Tyler, that's not blender. That's coffee maker, baby. Blender is right here.
Oh.
This?
So what's the difference
And
between
this.
coffee maker and blender?
Coffee make coffee. Blender make blending things. Like smoothies and all those things. Alright, so I think I've made my decision on the blender. I think this is the blender of choice. Gonna take this one. And the toaster of choice. Toaster of choice.
Okay, this one.
We'll take it.
This and this.
Yeah. on to the next stop. Next stop, we're going to get photos taken for Sarah ID. Can you imagine? Sarah needs an ID. So we're going to take ID photos for Sarah. Fingers crossed.
So we don't have to take a passport anywhere we're going, we just take a franchise.
Fingers crossed that she'll sit and let them take her picture, because y'all know that Sarah don't sit for nothing, okay? So we are on to taking Sarah photos right now. You guys, at IKEA is going to open right here. See the blue? The IKEA is coming. It's been building for a while now with COVID stall things, but it's almost done, and there are gonna be some apartments here too. So I think IKEA is on this side, and the apartments and some other stores is gonna be in this building that you're seeing here. But yeah, on to the next stop. Weather is so good today, you don't need any big jacket. I have on just a little jacket. Babe don't even have on any jacket, have a long sleeve. And the kids just have on light sweaters. What are you eating? What are you eating?
Pretzel piece, Mama.
No. You eat too much. Your sister eating passy. What you eating? Pretzel. You guys, look at my daughter ID. Photo.
Mama, can I see it?
I'll show it to you in a bit. Hold on. For driving, it's not focusing. So there you go. She did better than I thought she would do, but she was over it by the time the photographer was done. So there she goes. Lunchtime. We stopped at McDonald's to have lunch. Babe and I and Tyler having sandwiches, fries, ice cream. Why are you showing them ketchup?
I show you the logo. I have to give back to Burger King, but we okay.
I was giving back to Burger King what?
You just say McDonald's, so I have to give back Burger King.
Oh! That's a McDonald's? Sorry, Burger King. The Queen is eating her nuggets and fries. And the Prince, the King, the King. Alright, King. Because it's alright, Queen, you're a king, right?
It's not big too big for Sarah.
Look, she love pull it down in her face no matter how I fix it. Look. Yeah. She's too cute, I can't. Shopping done. Woohoo! Mission accomplished. Yes. Go, 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 Ty. You guys, look at Sarah cute with the outfit I didn't get to show you guys. Wait! Look how cute she is. Say hello to the faves. Hello, faves. Sarah. Sarah, say hello. Look at Mama.
Hello.
Hello. She's awake. Okay, come on, let's go. Go. Go home. Go get Tai. Go home. Tai inside. Look where you're going. Go up. 1, 2, 3. Good job. What do you want? Grapes, please, Mama. Hi, you guys. You guys, we've been back. Look at my daughter. You guys just look at her. We've been back. Oops. Where did it go? Where did it go? I don't even know where that went. Did you all saw where that went? Because I didn't. Oh, okay, it's on the floor.
Water!
Please, Mama.
Water,
Very good. We've been back from off the road. We bought this bonnet for Sarah for Christmas vacation coming up, and she just loves it. She wants to keep it on. She loves dressing up in her brother costume, so she's a traffic police right now. It's huge, it's bigger than her, but she don't really care. We've been back, and I'm in the kitchen making dinner for the family. You going down? Okay, go. Making dinner for the family. Let me show you guys what I'm making today. So on the menu, I have salmon, which gonna go in the air fryer. I am steaming some veggies over here. I have kidney bean, string bean, carrots, onions, sweet peppers, garlic, a little salt. That's all that is in here. And then in this pot, I have some leftover macaroni and cheese, which I'm gonna warm up. And that's going to be dinner for the fam. Boom, dinner is done. Sarah loved this snowman, so every time it disappears from here, I know exactly where to find it. So I have my fake snow going on here. If it's the first time you guys see my little village with Santa and some people, don't know who they are, but okay, I have to fix this back. Okay, there we go, that's better. And I have Santa here again. This is a house that I bought at the store. This is polar bear, whatever kind of bear it is. I think it's a polar bear. Christmas trees. This Christmas tree, you can't see the bottom because I cover it with the fake snow. Uh-oh, this one stopped working. Oh no. Pause. Oh my God. Run! Run, Sarah!
Ooh, I got you. I got you. I got you. Oh, I got you. I'm gonna cut you.
This girl, she have too much energy. She must sleep good tonight.
Run! 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 I got you. Run!
Is there like a track this, you know? She run around the table.
happy and on the feet. So he got, you know, stuck him. Happy and on stuff.
Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man.
away. Be happy and alone.
Do it for.
Yes.
Oh, way.
Be happy and alone. Be happy and alone. Be happy and alone. Do the four.
Do the four. Oh, way.
Be happy and alone. Then we know the door. Be happy. Do the four.
Oh, way.
Bravo.
That's it. Happy.
Fast.
Good job.
Where's the sleeping?
She not gonna stop.
Happy and alone. Clap your hands. He's a happy and alone. Then we don't know. He's a happy and alone. Clap your hands. He's a happy and alone. Stop me. He's a happy and alone. Saturday.
Oh, way.
Be happy and alone. Saturday.
Oh, way.
Be happy and alone. Then we don't know. Be happy. Saturday.
Oh, way.
Be happy and alone. Do the four.
Oh, way.
Be happy and alone. Do the four.
Oh, way.
Be happy and alone. Then we know. Be happy and alone. Do the four.
Oh, way. Bravo. Good job. High five.
Good job. Ready to go back. Go.
Ready to go bed?
Be happy and alone.
Yes, you're happy.
Love you. Mwah.
Be happy and alone. Clap your hands.